the set of challenges for rare disease, and especially ultra rare, where sometimes you have populations that are 200 worldwide at any given moment. So it's very hard to design trials for these situations where obviously the clinical trial is going to be a subset, a sample from that population. And specifically in rare and ultra-rare indications, one of the distinguishing characteristics and unifying characteristics of these different diseases is their heterogeneity, and the way that they manifest themselves in different individuals can be very, very different. And that's also, from a study design perspective, quite a major challenge, because in a clinical trial, what you're trying to do is have a set of individuals that are fairly similar in terms of how the disease manifests in those individuals, and therefore select endpoints, select data that you're going to analyze that are in common, that can be measured in all of these individuals. But in rare and ultra rare, many times you have trials where you have a wide age range, because you have to let in everyone. You can't have these pre-specified cutoffs. You need to get as many patients as you can. And then the disease may manifest itself very, very differently, depending on the age of the individual, or just depending on the individual's genetics. It's like a crapshoot, a lot of these diseases, how it lands with each individual. That makes it very hard to pick what is in common, and therefore what can be analyzed in aggregate. If you're looking beyond the individual patient and you're looking at the aggregate, and trying to combine results from all the patients and make an inference about the larger population that you're trying to get that drug or that biologic approved for. So that's one of key challenges. Other challenges are just a lack of knowledge. We don't know enough about natural history of some of these diseases, and the sources of natural history data sometimes are held in one or two centers worldwide, and access to those are difficult. That's a common challenge. Basically all of it ends up being, how do we design the trials so that we can analyze the results from the trials in more than just looking at each individual patient, but in an aggregate fashion.